Yes, YouTube. Good morning, good afternoon, and welcome back again. You know, guys, as we speak, BTC is floating above the 618 on the weekly time frame. As I showed you guys in my previous video, go check it out if you didn't see it. We swept sell side liquidity, and you can see a sharp rejection on this pool, right? It doesn't mean that we will go up now at this moment. I will show you guys later on in this video what I'm expecting for BTC. You know, unfortunately, our Ethereum and Solana trade got stopped out, but it doesn't mean that we cannot expect upside from here on, right? The thing is, we have to wait for confirmation on the daily time frame for BTC to enter longs now at this moment, right? So, guys, smash up the like button, subscribe to my channel, and with that said, let's go to the chart. So as you guys can see now, we're watching at BTC to USDT again, and you can see literally that we are floating above the weekly 618, right? If you go to the weekly time frame, you can see that we bounced on the 618 here, right? Candle closes above the 618, so that's something positive. You see literally that we came for this pool of liquidity as I showed you in my previous video. Unfortunately, our Solana trade got stopped out and our Ethereum trade also got stopped out, but it doesn't mean that we cannot expect upside. My plan for now is just to wait for BTC to become bullish, wait for a market structure shift, a higher high on the daily time frame to eventually go long on other assets, right? For now, we have to just be patient. What I actually want to see here is BTC to fill up this fair value gap, to eventually take out late longs, people putting their stop loss here, early longs in this case, to eventually create a higher high, to confirm a market structure shift, to eventually enter on the 618 to come for buy side liquidity again, right? That's a little bit my plan. So patience is the key here, you know. Again, smash up the like button, subscribe to my channel. If you want to take this kind of trades with me, I started a new collaboration with XT and I negotiated very nice benefits for you guys, right? If you go to today's video's description and you go to the first link in the description and you click this link, you can see that you get an instant VIP level 4 on your trading fees. So that means that you get a big discount on your trading fees, right? Plus you get a lot of other benefits. For example, if you deposit 100 USDT, you will receive a 50 USDT extra margin in your futures account, right? If you deposit 200 USDT, you will receive 100 and so on and so on. The thing is with this futures trial funds is that it's a margin in your futures account, right? That means that if you make profits, that you can withdraw the profits. So that's a little bit a side note to understand once you start trading on XT. Make sure you sign up, you know, click this button here, sign up, deposit 100 USDT and receive a 50 USDT, and you can trade 150 USDT in your leveraged futures trading account, right? If you want to level up your trading, go to today's video's description, join the free Discord community cryptoharrisons.com, click it. Once you click it, you can see that you land on our website, and what you have to do literally is just join the crypto gainers and fill in your name, your email address, click join community. You will receive a link to the Discord server. It's completely for free and you're more than welcome. So again, guys, a quick update on BTC. You know, I thank you all for watching. Stay tuned, follow me on X, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and with that said, guys, stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.